Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PS5 Pro if you don't have access to your account or anything like that. So you don't need to sign in. What you want to do is hold down the power button and completely turn off your PS5 Pro. So I heard one beep initially, and then I'm going to continue to hold it down. About 3 seconds later, I heard a second beep, and it's going to turn off my PS5 Pro. Now this is also good if you're going to be reselling your PS5. And plug it in, your controller, with a USB cable just like this. And we're going to wait for this light to stop blinking. We're going to launch into the safe mode menu. And the light stopped blinking. I'm going to hold down the power button. I will hear a beep, and then about 10 seconds later I will hear another beep indicating I'm launching into the safe mode menu. There's the second beep. Now press the PS button on the controller. And then go on down to the option number 7, Reset PS5. Now if you have the system software on like a little USB stick or something like that, you have to download that from the PlayStation.com website. And then you can plug it into the back of your PS5 Pro. But most people just go to option number 7. You can pretty much delete all the information off your PS5 Pro, and it's going to launch it like it's new when you start back up again. So if you're going to be reselling it or something like that, go to this option right here and just factory reset, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.